in there.
Huh? Oh, what is that board?
It's something they put in for the sheetrock, I think.
Oh.
I hope there's not.
Well, there's a.
Let's go into your shower.
That's a.
14 and 5. Make sure I'm cutting that the right way. 14 and 5. I euthanized my dog at home too. I mean, I had the vet come in and do it.
Yeah.
Oh, you lovely. Okay, that was 12 inches from that wall. Should be 12 and a half. This one's gonna be a tough one. And then I want to dive down on this one just a little bit and get lower because I'm going to try to do that in one piece. So we will come down to, that should give me plenty of room to bend at 10. That should be 11 and a half under the floor.
Faster through the old wood, huh?
Yeah. Well, I was kind of trying to rush, so I went a little too quick. Putting too much pressure on it. All the way through there. You'll get lots of comments on the bit I'm using. Some people scream and yell about paddle bits. Some like the whole saw. I know how to sharpen it. People are like, yes, they don't know. Yeah, they do. And the pilot bits, they jump off the paddle bit. Just double check and make sure that I got everything tight on that. Okay. Okay, we're good. Got lots of extra in there.
What's this material called again?
Pex pipe. I did not cut that very well. Okay, because I'm at 80.
So a slight adjustment, going to make the shower head a little bit to the left, further inside of the shower. Huh. Good thing that wasn't a steel pipe. Or
People put them in the surround, so then you have to drill the surround as well.
Yeah.
I don't like doing that. I like going above it.
So this will be above the surround wall.
Yes.
Sometimes it's hard for me to visualize the finished product.
It's taken me a while to learn too. This is why I hate rolls. Trying to do this in the crawl space is fun.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I should remove that first. The PEX adapters for my angle stops. So this way all my angle stops are still copper. It tightens all this down so that everything is nice and sturdy. I need to cut this out and solder that one in. Make sure we're not creating any water hammering. Am I going to be able to pound this in?
So I'm guessing blue is cold water
Yes.
and red is hot water, or pink, whatever it is.
Reason I can't stand rolls is this.
Yeah, there's always a curl to it.
It drives me bonkers. People are like, it's just behind the wall. I'm like, I do not care. I know it's there, and it bothers me.
It's like the plastic edging for your lawns. You get towards the end of it, you can't even use it.
Yeah, it drives me bonkers. It's
ditto.
This is the only roll I've ever used, and I'm using it because I need to get rid of it, and it would actually be not so torturous to use in this installation here. Now you'll hear people on there bitching and complaining about PEX being converted to these valves. Ruins the pressure and the flow. I have installed so many and I've never had an issue yet. If the pipes are ran properly, I don't extend this any farther than 10 feet away from the fixtures. So right under the crawl space will be 3/4 inch that runs all the way to this and then distributes it. So it's a pressure balancing valve. You know, it's made to create it to balance out the pressure and stuff like that. You know, so you lose flow. If you were to put a flow meter on it, you'd see that it's less flow. But I've never had a problem where I've lost PSI, which is what you need in the most part for it.
Yeah.
And as long as you're not doing, what really happens in this case, if we were doing a tub spout and I did this in copper or PEX, the tub spout, and I had to put 90s on it, or I never put more than 190 on here, because then it does start to restrict it. So there are certain things that you can do to get away with it. There's my hole. Here's my hole. Hey, look at that. Right through there. Almost like I knew it. Now I'm starting to get congested.
Yeah. You know you have enough sticking under the foundation there?
Oh yeah, that's what you saw me cramming it.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
So that I have lots down there, and I don't know why I did that either, because I didn't need to really.
More than you needed.
I didn't need to do those marks that I just put on there. Wasn't thinking. The proper way, and see, and there's a proper way to install these rings as well. Some people will go flush right up to the edge. I've had leaks because of that. Huh. And I've seen people go too far back. You want to show, you always want to have a little bit of your pipe showing on the other side of your crimp rings. That way you're getting the whole, you know, you're getting that.
Yeah.
As much of that surface area as you can. You know, if you get too tight, there's a ring at the very top up here.
Oh yeah.
And if you get it on that, it seems to almost want to push that out and flare it out too much, and you'll get little drips out of there.
You don't need to screw those in?
No, they're not going to come out. I've never had them do that. Okay. One here. And so now the only fitting that we have in the floor is one.
Yeah.
So now if anything ever leaks under here, this would be, you know, I would be doing something to adjust to climb just right here. I know where it's at. Same thing, that's the only fitting that would be leaking. Everything else we'd be looking somewhere else.
Do rodents ever chew through this stuff?
This stuff, no. Well, I wouldn't say no. If you have a leak or humidity problems. So, have you ever heard of Quest pipe?
Used what?
Quest pipe?
No.
It's the first PEX pipe. It's like gray.
Oh yeah, I've seen
And
it.
it has no oxygen barrier in it. So it sweats really bad. And that's what was making a lot of rats go down there. They're actually licking and drinking the water right off the pipe.
Huh.
Now they know that there's water there, they start chewing to get more. This stuff, I haven't seen sweat like that. It has oxygen barrier in it. And that oxygen barrier does two things. It helps that, plus it helps kill the bacteria in the pipes. So, any, you know, like the old PEX pipe, you cut that stuff out and it's all black inside, brown inside.
Yeah.
Because it didn't have an oxygen barrier. Now it's actually illegal. You can't even install it. And if you have it, you're supposed to take it out. And I was doing a lot of those remodels for a while. And then I said no more. Just because 90% of the Quest pipe is in modular homes. In modular homes, they've got this plastic vapor barrier type stuff in the crawl space that hides all the pipes. It's 2 feet thick, man. You've got to just weed through this stuff, and it's so brutal. I'm like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done with those.
So our crawl space was like a
Your crawl
luxury
space
hotel.
is like a luxury hotel.
Except for the remnants of...
Except for that.
yeah.
But there's I can't cardboard down there, so I'm actually not laying in that stuff. I'm laying on the cardboard.
Okay.
So now, last little bit of pieces to get done here, and I'll be in the crawl space. And now I wanted to get everything done out here so that when I get done in the crawl space, I can turn the water right back on. I can have you out here making sure that nothing's leaking, which it won't.
Keaton, I'm taking a shower. What's going on?
And then I can be done down there. I don't have to crawl twice.
Okay.
Crawling is the worst thing.
It makes sense. Yeah, get it all done here and
Yeah.
finish it up down there. I mean...
Okay, so what do I need now? I need my solder. Got my hold right bars. I'm good there. I need to be 8 inches for that one.